Hey guys! Are you want to buy best aluminum polishes? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best aluminum polishes that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at 3D Metal Polish Heavy Duty Car Metal Polish. 3D Metal Polish offers a professional-grade solution for restoring and shining a wide range of metal surfaces, including aluminum, chrome, brass, silver, and copper. Its standout feature is a modern, non-abrasive formula that safely removes years of oxidation and tarnish without scratching or dulling the surface. Unlike traditional polishes that rely on harsh chemicals or abrasives, 3D uses advanced, odor-free chemistry for a clean, mirror-like finish without residue or damage. Whether applied by hand with a microfiber towel or using a polisher on larger surfaces, this polish delivers consistent, high-gloss results. It's ideal for detailing everything from custom wheels and engine components to fine jewelry. CVC technology ensures a haze-free, flawless shine that enhances the integrity of the metal rather than compromising it. Made in the USA and backed by over 25 years of detailing innovation, 3D Metal Polish is trusted by car pros and enthusiasts alike. It's a smart, safe, and effective choice for anyone aiming to achieve a show-quality shine. Now our second product is Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish is a top-tier solution for restoring brilliance to dull and oxidized metal surfaces. Engineered with natural cleaners and microabrasives, it delivers powerful cleaning action that removes stubborn tarnish, rust, and oxidation, revealing a mirror-like finish. Unlike harsh polishes, this formula is gentle yet highly effective, making it ideal for both beginners and detailing pros. What sets it apart is its dual-action performance, cleaning and protecting in one step. The inclusion of protective polymers forms a durable barrier that resists future staining and oxidation, ensuring long-lasting shine. Whether you're polishing stainless steel, chrome, brass, aluminum, copper, or even gold, this versatile polish is up to the task. Loved by car enthusiasts around the globe, Chemical Guys is more than a brand, it's a trusted name in car care. With a balance of performance and safety, Heavy Metal Polish delivers professional-grade results that both rejuvenate and protect your vehicle's metal surfaces with ease. Our third product is Brite Ultimate Aluminum Polish. Brite Aluminum Polish is a marine-grade solution expertly formulated to restore and protect unpainted aluminum surfaces like pontoons, john boats, and canoes. Designed to follow Brite's aluminum cleaner/restorer, this polish seals and shine while actively repelling UV rays and stains, ensuring long-lasting luster and corrosion resistance. Its polymer-based formula delivers advanced defense against the elements, reducing oxidation and discoloration with each annual application. Ideal for dull or lightly oxidized surfaces, it revitalizes metal to a mirror-like finish. Application is easy with an electric buffer, offering even coverage and professional-grade results with minimal effort. Perfect for seasonal upkeep, this polish not only restores clarity and shine but also forms a protective barrier that simplifies future maintenance. Trusted globally and proudly made in the USA since 1973, Brite is a go-to name in marine and outdoor care. For boaters seeking reliable protection and stunning results, this polish is a proven, high-performance choice. Now number 4, Renegade Products USA Easy Red Sprayable Metal Polish. Easy Red Spray Metal Polish is a game-changer for anyone looking to maintain or restore metal surfaces with speed and ease. Unlike traditional pastes, this spray-on formula offers hassle-free application. Just spray, let it haze for 30 seconds, and wipe clean with a microfiber towel. It's ideal for quick detailing without the need for buffing machines or elbow grease. Formulated with fine abrasives, Easy Red effectively removes oxidation, haze, water spots, and minor imperfections, delivering a deep, mirror-like finish. It's safe for all polished metals including aluminum, stainless steel, chrome, and even diamond plate, making it a versatile addition to your detailing arsenal. Whether you're prepping for a car show or just need a quick touch-up before a weekend drive, Easy Red delivers professional-grade results on the go. For added protection, pair it with Renegade's HydroGuard or Graphene Plus ceramic spray coating to seal in the shine. It's a perfect blend of convenience, performance, and showroom-level results. And our last choice is Chemical Guy's SPI Heavy Metal Polish. Chemical Guy's Heavy Metal Polish is a top-tier solution for reviving and protecting tarnished metal surfaces. Designed with natural cleaners and microabrasives, it delivers powerful cleaning action, cutting through oxidation and grime to reveal a brilliant, mirror-like shine. Unlike ordinary polishes, it doesn't just clean, it also seals the surface with protective polymers, guarding against future stains, tarnish, and oxidation for long-lasting results. This versatile polish works on a wide range of metals, including stainless steel, brass, aluminum, copper, and even gold, making it ideal for everything from automotive trim to kitchen fixtures and jewelry. Whether you're a beginner or a detailing pro, its easy application and impressive results make it a must-have in any maintenance routine. Backed by the trusted Chemical Guy's name, this polish is more than a product, it's part of a lifestyle embraced by car enthusiasts worldwide. For brilliant shine and durable protection, Heavy Metal Polish is the smart, professional-grade choice. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.